So, nice big box of something called Fallout, Recovering from Abuse in Tibetan Buddhism, author Tali Newland. Ooh, that's me. Publisher, AAA Publishing. Ooh, that's also me. Ooh. Always exciting when you first get your books and see what they actually look like. Not a book, not a book, not a book, not a book. Aha! Yes! Oh, look. Lots of them, lots and lots and lots of them. So, what's in it? Okay, I think we've even got somewhere here. Contents. Part 1, processing the revelations of abuse. That's my story. Part 2, examining abuse enabling beliefs. That's all the yucky stuff like unhealthy guru-student relationships, crazy wisdom or just crazy, obedience without question, devotion without discernment, that kind of stuff. Part 3, lessons for the future, choosing a teacher, cult warning signs, and so on and so forth. So there it is. Looking good. That's it.